up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Cop right there. We're on our way to this gas station right now because I got a bolt in one of my rear drag radials, and of course I'm on my way to a Mopar event. You know, gas out here in Queens is definitely a lot more money than it is out in Eastern Long Island. $34.75, and I already had a half a tank. I also overfilled my tire by just a little bit. I wanted to kind of just bump it up in hopes of just having enough air to survive the night, because we're taking over New York City with a whole bunch of other Mopars. I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, if you guys don't know this Hellcat, you should know it, but if you don't, go follow him on Instagram. This is Torred707. This guy's always posting a bunch of cool pics. My Hellcat is right over there, right behind it. I'm the one that has a nice size screw on one of my drag radials. I don't know, guys, hopefully this car does not end up on a tow truck on the way home. I've already lost like 2 or 3 PSI since I filled it. Let's see what happens. You see this guy right here, he's got my weld wheels and drag radials. We're gonna see what I come up with next for tires on my Hellcat. What percent tint did you do on this? 15? Nice. Man, it looks really dark. Yeah, I think on mine it's like 18-20%, but maybe just the fact that I guess it's a black car makes it almost look darker. What's up, guys? How you doing?
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
What up, IG? What up? How you doing? I didn't know you were coming.
Yeah, I came out.
That's nice, nice.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig.
All right, guys, tell me what you think. Should we do a satin black on the whole Hellcat? I think once I find a shop that's gonna wrap my CA Corvette, we may have to just wrap the whole car in satin black. This one's just half satin black, half red. It's a very nice setup.
Yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip.
Alright guys, we're officially in New York City. Hopefully none of us gets tickets, but come on, this many Mopars in New York City, we both know that's not gonna happen. One cop right there already pulling up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top from the base one. New car, fast lane.
What up?
With the booyah, that's a flex. Now human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. Save up, 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top from the base one.
The rest of the group is lost, but I'm stuck back here. It's okay, I'm a little distracted. Come on, get out of the way. That red, guys, it glows. It's beautiful the way he has it. But that was just ceramic pro. This thing looks so shiny. All right, guys, check it out, check it out. Damn, the interior on this is nice too, man. I like that glow. All right, guys, we got the 5.0, 5.0. Check this one out. This one sounds really nice. Yeah. All those poor kids that are up there right now sleeping probably think it's thundering outside. AMG, the house! Hey!
Secure the bag, yeah, get the box. Pick it up.
See the lineup right over here, guys.
Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my Secure the bag, yeah, get the box. Pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the baseline. New car, race on, fast lane. Where the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up.